Okay, so this lesson is about graphing a function, and it's found from Algebra 2 to Pre-Calc. So first, graphing a function with Desmos, the online graphing calculator. So you go to the website. At the website, you'll click the plus over here. You go to the expression, and you'll type in your function. Let's say mine is f of x is equal to x squared. It'll show up right here. And if you need to see specific points or zoom in and zoom out, you can use your trackpad or mouse, and you can hold down and slide along, and it'll show the specific points. Next, if you want to graph with a graphing calculator, so you turn on the graphing calculator, and on the top right, if you have a TI-84, on the top right, you'll have a button that says graph. You click that. And then on the left side, it'll be y is equal to, you'll click that button. And then you enter your function. Again, let's say x squared, and then you click enter on the bottom right. You click graph again, and you'll be able to see your function in graph form. If you need to change your viewing window, you can click the window button, 2 from the left, and you can set your minimum and maximum x values for viewing. So let's say it's -20 and 20. I can see from -20x to +20x, any points inside of that. And also your y values, same thing. So if you need to graph by hand, I recommend using a chart, because it's a data table, because it's a lot more organized and you're less likely to make mistakes. I like to put the function in the top and have all the x values along the left column. So the first one would be, so there would be -2 squared plus 10, which is equal to 4 plus 10, which is equal to 14. So that would be, the first point would be -2 comma 14. The next point would be -1 comma 11, and so on. Right. So it should end up looking something like this, with the graph over here and being that 10 tall with the parabola at the top. So you could do some sample problems. I have them listed right there, and first do them by hand. Then you can check your answer on Desmos and also practice graphing on Desmos. So you can pause right here if you want to do it. Okay, so this is the first equation. So by hand, it should look like this. It's facing downward, and every unit here, the first unit goes down 2, second unit, it goes down 8. And on Desmos, it should look like that. Next one, this is the second equation, and it should look like this. Goes 1 and up, 3 across, 1 up, and then 5 across and 1 up. It should start 4 units tall. Okay, the next graph, the absolute value function, should look like a V. And the vertex is 1 unit to the right and 5 units up. So the vertex is 1 comma 5. And that is it for graphing a function with a utility.